everybody, it's Weekend Vibes with Charnette. Welcome to another video. So I'm cooking some breakfast this morning while I'm doing Thanksgiving prep. This morning I'm cooking some boiled bananas with brown stew chicken liver. So keep watching to see how I'm going to do it. I really like chicken liver and my daughter likes it too, so I decided to cook it because she's home from college. So stay tuned. Thank you for all the support. Thank you for all those who are joining and commenting. I appreciate every single one, all my viewers and my subscribers. So thank you guys. Keep watching. So these are the green bananas that I'm gonna use, and I have a pack of chicken liver. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna clean it up. Okay guys, I'm getting the water ready. So for the bananas, I'm adding some salt. Cover it and bring it to boil while I get the bananas ready. Okay guys, I'm washing the bananas. I'm not gonna peel my bananas, guys. So this is how I do it. Sometimes I just boil them in the skin because it's easier for me. So all those people who boil their bananas in the skin, let me know. Comment and let me know. So I'm washing them. I'm going to just mark them. I'm going to show you how I do it, because I don't peel them, the bananas. So keep watching. Yeah, so guys, this is how I do it. I just mark the top, mark the bottom, and I put a mark in here and here, like about 2 markings to make it easier to take them off. I'm gonna do all of them like that. I'm gonna cut and put about 3 markings. Marking them, washing them. So I'm gonna put them in the pot once it starts boiling. And they're ready. Okay guys, the water is boiling, so I'm going to put in the bananas and let them boil, and then about after 15 or so minutes I'm gonna remove the skin, and I'm gonna show you how I do that. I remember years ago when we were growing up, and so every Sunday morning we would cook boiled banana. That was one of the breakfast items that we have most Sunday mornings, boiled banana, and it would take us a long time to peel bananas. So now that I'm an adult, this is what I do. I cook the banana in the skin and it tastes the same. So let me know if you're one of them who do this, cook the banana in the skin. So keep watching guys. Drinking some coffee while I'm working. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I get the liver ready. This is chicken liver. So I clean them up and cut them in half, and I basically take off all the fat. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna rinse it off with some vinegar. Then I'm gonna wash it. Okay guys, now I'm gonna add on some seasoning. So guys, I'm putting a little soy sauce, some browning, and I may add a little more if need to. Some powdered season. This is Old Bay. Some crushed red pepper. Some garlic powder. I always use Miss Dash seasoning. And some all-purpose. Okay guys, and I'm gonna mix up all these powdered seasoning, and I'm also gonna put some fresh seasoning, so I'm gonna cut up those. Okay, so then let it sit for a little while I cut up the powdered seasoning. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna show you. I just use a fork to remove the skin. So this is what they look like. I just use a fork to remove the skin like that. And the skin comes off easily. So I just turn on the stove and use a fork to remove the skin. Easy, easy, peasy. Okay guys, all the skins are up, so they look nice and clean and pretty. I just turn it back up and let them cook for another 5 minutes and they're finished. So guys, these are what I'm using in the liver. Some onion. So I already washed these. I'm just gonna cut them up. So a little piece of onion, some tomato, I'm gonna use some scallion and bell pepper. I'm gonna put like 1 Irish and some carrot in there as well. Okay guys, so I'm gonna get the liver ready. The pot is getting hot. I already have some small cut diced Irish potato and some carrot and my fresh seasoning. So I have a bell pepper, thyme, hot pepper, tomato, garlic and onion with some scallion as well. and my liver is seasoned. So I'm using olive oil. I'm gonna let the oil heat up, and then I'm gonna add in the fresh seasoning. As you can see, bananas are done. Nicely done, nice and clean. Okay guys, I'm gonna add in the seasoning. And let this, like saute a little bit. I also put in my Irish from now because the chicken liver does not take long to cook. So I put in all of these first. And let them cook a little. And then I put in the liver. Okay guys, I'm gonna add in the liver, chicken liver, and I'm gonna turn down the burner on low. I'm not gonna put any water in there. I'm just gonna stir it up, and I'm gonna allow it to make its own water. And I may need to put a little more browning in there. So I'm gonna cover it down. Not putting any water yet. What I usually do is just rinse this out and pour in after a while, but let it make its own water first, and then I'll do that. You guys, it smells so good. And if you notice, it starts making its own water, so I'm gonna turn it up. And it smells so good. Yay! Smells so good. I'm gonna add in a little more browning. I'm gonna pour in some of this. Let it simmer. So stay tuned guys. It's done. So I'm gonna take it out. Okay guys, so going to eat. Look at how bananas are pretty. Yeah, guys, so I'm having my boiled banana with some chicken liver and avocado. What is nicer than like when you crush out the banana in the gravy? This tastes so good. The gravy tastes so good. Guys, remember to like up the video, comment, and share, and also subscribe, guys. This breakfast is delicious. Boiled banana with liver gravy. And some avocado.
All right, Leona, thank you. And assistance to get resources.
Crush out the
Fire safety after 7 days reported on concerning shortfalls. At University of Maryland Global Campus, getting a bachelor's degree doesn't have to mean starting from scratch. Here, you can earn up to 90 undergraduate credits.
liver on the banana.
What will your next success be?
Tastes so good. Okay, guys, see you in the next video. Thank you for all your support. Remember, it's always a vibe on Weekend Vibes with Shornet. Bye.
Eligible to get extra benefits if you Humana Medicare Advantage.